Today, we're going to take a look at the Peltier Plus connected devices. Peltier Plus is great for both heating and cooling while maintaining specific temperatures over time. In this video, we'll address their main features while discussing important considerations, take a closer look at how to use and program them, and discuss example applications. Did you know that Peltier technology is based on a discovery made by a French physicist, Jean-Charles Peltier, back in the 1830s? Since his discovery that temperature transfer can take place when applying a voltage to different electrodes connected to a semiconductor, we've come a long way with this technology's efficiency, and various applications have become mainstream, from cooling spacecrafts to PCs, and now in the life sciences. Our Peltier Plus devices exist in two versions to ensure optimal temperature transfer for specific plate formats. The microplate Peltier Plus has a flat aluminum surface to host classic flat bottom plates. The 96 PCR Peltier Plus is specifically designed for low-volume, conical bottom plates, thanks to 96 precision-machined pockets within the aluminum block for maximum surface contact. Both of these devices can reach temperatures ranging from 0 to 99 degrees Celsius. While heating and cooling rates vary depending on the environmental conditions, Peltier Plus can heat from room temperature to 90 degrees Celsius in about 5 minutes. That's a heating rate of about 14 degrees per minute. Cooling from room temperature to 4 degrees Celsius is also achieved in just under 5 minutes, equivalent to a cooling rate of about 9 degrees per minute. It's important to note that the temperatures mentioned are those achieved by the device itself, but true temperatures within consumables can vary by more or less 3 degrees, especially when above 80 degrees Celsius. Be sure to optimize your protocol accordingly to make sure you're getting the temperatures that you need. Also, while temperature changes with the Peltier Plus devices are quick, note that these devices are not thermocyclers. Temperature control steps are an essential part of many biological and chemistry-based workflows. Yet, integrating them while maintaining regularity between procedures and allowing for easy transfer to automation remains a challenge. This challenge is amplified as labs also require flexibility, but have really limited space for that. With Peltier Plus devices and OneLab software, the challenge of creating reproducible methods with heating or cooling is eliminated thanks to intuitive protocol writing. And as for the footprint, just see for yourself. Peltier Plus can begin achieving a set temperature at the optimal time during a method, and even trigger plate movement with a plate gripper, or an email notification, once that desired temperature has been reached. When combined with the ability to embed other automated or manual actions while an incubation is taking place, or to program pipetting steps during the temperature ramp-up, for example, a truly optimized method can be achieved, and users are guided all the way through. This combination of software and hardware working seamlessly together not only speeds up method development, but also helps to provide consistency and reduce variation between runs. The applications for using Peltier Plus can be diverse, like needing to keep regions and samples cool, or working on a cell-based assay, or protein digestion, needing a constant 37 degrees for extended lengths of time, for example. For more information, visit the OneLab protocol library right here. Peltier Plus requires no programming knowledge whatsoever, and is really easy to implement using the OneLab software. Let me show you. But first things first, let's get connected by pairing Peltier Plus to your workspace. The device pairing process can be done either through Wi-Fi or directly via LAN in a few quick steps. Just follow the software prompts and our quick start guides in the user manuals that you can find right here. Once paired with your lab, the device becomes available in the Devices tab of the software and will automatically be suggested by OneLab during the execution phase of a protocol. Seeing is believing, so let me show you how to create a protocol step that will utilize the Peltier Plus device, knowing that your protocol can then be executed with an Andrew Plus robot or even manually. In both cases, when equipped with a Peltier Plus, your settings will be maintained. Once in the Protocol Designer window of OneLab software, it's important to first select Peltier Plus compatible labware. Any consumable chosen from this filtered list will then trigger the use of the device during the method execution phase. The exact device compatibility is also visible in the consumable information window, and you can even check to make sure you have the appropriate device connected to your lab before starting to use it. Just look out for that green "Available in this lab" icon. Next, click on the Actions button on the left panel, select Heat Cool from the list, and drag and drop the consumable you want to apply the action to. You can then specify the desired temperature by selecting the commonly used preset options, or indicate any other temperature between 0 and 99 degrees Celsius. The advanced settings here enable smart automated labware movement triggered by the Peltier Plus device by default when it has reached the desired temperature. As you can see, this only requires selecting a checkbox or two and does not require any programming knowledge at all. Once your temperature settings have been chosen, OneLab generates a two-part step with a start and a stop. Note that a heating or cooling step does not require a set duration and can be event-driven. This means that the action can have embedded steps that will determine its duration, rather than a set timer. Once your protocol is built, click on Execute and OneLab will calculate the best configuration for your method based on the available devices and pipettes, all while suggesting different execution options. Choose the option that's most relevant to your current process between a manual run, a guided run with the addition of connected pipettes, or an automated run, and you're good to go. You'll see that a Peltier Plus device has been selected thanks to a dedicated icon. So, are you ready to power up your lab? To learn more about Peltier Plus and discover our other connected devices, visit waters.com/Andrew Alliance.